In today's video, we will take a look at how to change lanes and make a U-turn in traffic. We have already discussed many driving topics in our previous videos. If you haven't watched them yet, check out these playlists. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. As we need to make a U-turn, your car should be in the left lane. Change lanes to the left. We have already discussed lane changes. You can watch that videos here. A new lane starts from here. Join this lane. You can see the signboard here. These two lanes are for going straight. This lane is for making a U-turn. Do not touch these solid lines. We have already discussed how to keep your car in the center of the lane. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can watch it here. For more videos on U-turns, you can find here. Make sure you understand all of these points during your road practice sessions. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.